You know, when it comes to pasta, there are so many different variations and styles of pasta that you can make or even go to the restaurant and have. You've got, for example, pasta e fagioli, which is pasta and beans. You've got pasta e patate, which is pasta and potatoes. You've got fettuccine alfredo, which I believe is more of an Americanized pasta, which I don't think is actually called fettuccine alfredo in Italy. But today, what I'd like to do is make something that I've never made before. What I'm going to make today is a combination of Italian and also Iranian as well. What I'm going to make, I like to call pasta e Fesenjoon. Pasta and Fesenjoon. Pasta e Fesenjoon. And this is basically pasta with Fesenjoon, which I showed you how to make in my previous video, combined together or used as the sauce for the pasta. Now, when I visualize this in my head, I'm pretty sure it's going to be incredible. But I guess we'll find out how good it's actually going to be. Let's get started on making pasta e Fesenjoon. All right, so here I've got a big pot, and to this pot I'm going to add a bunch of water. And then this is my sauce, in quotes, which is actually Fesenjoon added to a 1-quart saucepan, which I'm going to heat up because I cooked this yesterday. So let's start by adding some water. All right, so here is my pot of water, and to this pot I'm going to add a bunch of salt. A wise friend once told me that your pasta water should be very salty. I'm going to make this so salty that it's almost going to look like the Dead Sea. There you go. If you were to swim in this pasta water, you'd probably float. Gonna let that heat up and boil. All right, so the pasta is now boiling, and I'm going to go ahead and add my favorite shape of pasta, bowtie or farfalle pasta. And we're going to cook that for about 13 minutes. 13 minutes.
Oh my God, that pot of pasta is spinning on its own? It must be a ghost.
Look how salty that water is, by the way. You'd probably float in there, but it's way too hot to float in it. All right, 13 minutes are up. Let's go ahead and strain this pasta. And there's my strained pasta in my colander. Now I'm going to add it back to this pot. Add the Fesenjoon sauce and then shake it, because my way of mixing my pasta with the sauce is by shaking it. In you go. Add a little bit of olive oil. There's my Fesenjoon sauce. Let's add that. Now we take this and we shake it. Or you could just mix it like a normal human being, like this. I'm going to shake it. And there it is. Pasta e Fesenjoon. Pasta e Fesenjoon. Pasta and Fesenjoon.
So my sound stopped working for some reason in this clip where I'm trying it, but I'm sure you can tell based on the facial expressions that I liked it a lot. Oh my God, I say. What am I saying? Who knows? Unless you can read lips. It was pretty damn good though, I gotta say. I think this is gonna become a regular dish for me.